Have you ever wondered how birds can mimic human speech? Unlike humans, parrots don't have vocal cords. Instead, they use a special organ called the syrinx, located at the base of their trachea. By controlling the muscles around it, they can produce an incredible range of sounds from squawks to words. What makes parrots unique is their intelligence and social nature. In the wild, they mimic sounds to communicate with their flock. When kept as pets, humans become their flock, and they mimic our words to connect with us. Parrots are incredible creatures, but remember they mimic not just what you say, but also how you say it. So watch your language around these feathered friends. What's the funniest thing you've ever heard a parrot say? Comment below and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.